Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Kenmore refrigerator. Okay, so if you have a Kenmore refrigerator and it is giving you some issues, we're going to run through a very simple reset method. So it doesn't have a dedicated reset button like many refrigerators, but you can easily reset your fridge through their power cycling system. So the simple process resolves minor glitches by clearing the control board's memory, and it also allows it to reboot fresh. So first of all, you need to unplug it, disconnect it from your wall outlet completely, and then the next step involves allowing 5 to 10 minutes for the residual power to drain from the control board circuits. The next thing is to simply plug it back into your wall outlet and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it can get back up and running and do a full reboot. Additional troubleshooting after the reset. So if your model has a digital display, you can look for buttons that are labeled power or reset or even options. Thereafter, you can either put the power off, on, or if there's a reset option, you can go through the process, follow the prompts, or if there is options, you can look for options, and then in options, you can look for power or reset. You can then press and hold these appropriate buttons 3 to 5 seconds. That should do the trick. And then you'll just have to wait for the display to flash or restart. Then there is a post-reset checklist. So verify that your door seals are clean and intact and they're completely sealing your refrigerator. Ensure that the vents within your refrigerator are unobstructed. Clean the condenser coils for efficient cooling, and confirm that your temperature settings are 37 degrees Fahrenheit and your freezer is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure that these are exactly like this. You can also revert to your user manual, your owner's manual, and see what your temperatures should be. If you're still having issues, you can inspect the control board or consult with a Kenmore support or professional technician.